Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Duck, and I'm about to react to Don't Open the Door to Strangers, Call on Ring Doorbell. This is half the reason I have a ring. I ain't gotta ever go to that door if I don't want to. I could talk to them from my chair that I'm sitting in right now. I'm good, bro. I'm good. The only time well, actually, I never have to go to the door. Maintenance got a key. Yeah, apartment for now. Y'all ready to get into this? Let's watch.
Ever wondered what's lurking around when it's dark out?
No.
From sneaky doorknob testers to mysterious visitors and porch pirates, these clips will leave you questioning, who's really out there? And trust me, the wildest moment is at the end. In Newark, New
2:01
Jersey,
a.m.
this guy shows up with a serious knock claiming he's got an important request.
Yeah, what's up?
Yes, sir. Can you help me, sir?
You
But
won't.
something about this feels off.
I'm in danger.
You in danger? Oh,
Man,
cops
call
on
the
the
cops,
way.
bro.
No, they messed up my phone.
Listen, I'm off duty right now, bro.
Please, sir, please.
Listen
I need
to
help.
me. I'm off duty right now. I'm a police officer. I'm off duty. I could call dispatch right now. What do you need?
I have to explain it to you so you can understand.
Then talk,
My
bitch.
man, get out my property. Get out my property. I'm armed, all right? So go somewhere else.
What do you think? Legit or trouble?
Yo.
Let me know in the comments.
Keep it going, bro.
Yo, the way he talked to him. The moment he would have said, I need to talk to you face to face, nigga, the cops are on this way. Like, they on their way right now. They got your face because I'm gonna send you your face. They got your voice because I'm gonna send them this video. And we not talking face to face. If I come out there at 2 a.m., you will have a gun in your face. And you would not like that. That's all I'm saying.
Camera recording.
In Mesa, Arizona, this lady came for the package but
Damn.
spotted the camera and thought twice. Smart move, huh? Guess this is one porch pirate who bailed before setting sail. Rochester, New York.
Get the from my door.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, ain't no I'm sorry. You've been at this house 3 times.
I didn't no, I thought it was a vandal. I swear to God, I thought it was a vandal.
No, it's
I'm
not.
so, God bless you. I'm so sorry. I'm
It's
so
not.
sorry. God bless you. Got you. Thank you. Thank you.
Because why is he trying to break into my house?
Birmingham, Alabama.
Why do people leave their car doors unlocked? I think of a shit if you
In
behind
Denver,
the
Colorado,
security
this guy came ready to steal,
force
but the homeowner showed up at the perfect time.
gate.
Talk about bad timing for him. Let's see how this plays out.
Not your house. What are you doing? Knock on the door. For what? I was trying to figure out what's going on with the compost shit on the side, because if I pick it up, I can actually make money. Well, this is private property, so go back there by the compost. Okay, well, I mean, Matt, can you come here? Is someone gonna come talk to me? Dude, what?
In Baton Rouge, Louisiana, this is exactly why you need strong doors. Sometimes it's better to be over-prepared than sorry, right?
Oh yeah, if I'm living like in that type of area, my doors are strong.
Meridian, Idaho. In Boise, Idaho, this creepy
They
Kevin
playing
wandered onto a
games?
stranger's porch,
Okay.
and things got really weird for the homeowner.
Kyle,
Let's see what happened next.
Man, she'll be like, I lost dogs. Come and talk to somebody. You know anybody money or anything like that?
No, man.
No, sir?
I don't.
What's your address? What's your name?
I don't know, man. What's
your name,
going
buddy?
on?
What is your name? I need to talk to you now. What's your name?
Do I need to talk?
I'd have kicked his ass already. He would have got kicked down that.
Simple.
In Portland, Oregon, here's a reminder to keep those windows covered, because Window Willie might be out there watching.
That a
Creepy,
dude or
right?
a female? The fuck was
Oh, look
that?
at high class.
In Buffalo, New
High
York,
class
this
security
lady's at the
systems.
door, demanding to be let in and claiming the homeowner has a stolen vehicle.
Damn.
Bold, huh?
Knocking at your
Let's hear
door.
what she has to say.
I'd have been like, let's
Open
call the
door,
cops.
Let me in. Do me a favor, open the door, let me in. I want to know if this is Bobby Morton's truck, alias Michael Land. That's what we wanted to
America.
know.
This is America's
at
truck.
87 Madison Street, Bobby Morton, Nancy Brady, and the Ford pickup truck. Yeah, it looks like a conspiracy to me. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see who wins. Teal House, Teal Abortion, Teal Abortionist.
The fuck is she?
In San Francisco,
She's
California,
not even Karen.
think your
She's
mailbox
worse.
is safe just because it's locked? Well, this clip might make you think twice. Let's check it out.
They be mad. They come to my mailbox. Ain't shit in there, bitch.
In Charlotte, North Carolina, this guy just walked up and unlocked the door like it's his, until he spots the doorbell camera.
Oh, sorry. Hey.
Suddenly, he's claiming he's just here to patrol the area for safety.
You know your door's open? Hey, you know your door's open? Hey, you know your door's open?
Yeah, my son's in there, yeah.
Oh, okay. I was just doing the patrol, and I was just checking the area.
Okay, yeah, my people in there.
Suspicious, right?
All
What
right,
the fuck
copy
is this
that.
nigga doing?
All right, have a great night.
What do you think? Tell me in the comments.
How did he unlock the door? First of all.
Stick around. More wild moments are coming up. From sneaky doorknob testers to mysterious visitors and porch pirates, the best clip is just ahead.
Okay.
In Atlanta, Georgia, here's a group of teens messing with the door decorations. Guess they need a little lesson in respect, don't they? What would you do if this happened to your place? In Rochester, New York, meet Sneaky Steve, here for some stealing. But looks like things didn't go as planned for him. Let's watch and see how it all unfolds.
Sneaky Steve. That's all you need. I'm glad you could put that on your doorbell.
In Cambridge, Massachusetts, this woman shows up at the door, accompanied by her little dog, and tries to get in. The homeowner didn't notice at first, but after reviewing the footage, they posted it online.
Bitch, you
Let's
crazy
see what
as
she has
hell.
to say when she realizes she's on camera.
You know who's the owner? Who's the owner for this car?
On the corner?
Yeah, the corner.
I have no idea why.
Yeah, they left the door open.
Oh,
Open.
yeah, that's not ours, but thank you.
I was think maybe there's
Yeah,
someone.
Santa Maria, California.
The porch pirates.
Colorado Springs, Colorado.
You need to get out. I don't know what you're thinking.
This is more than the second time.
Well, that's tough work. Call the police.
Yeah.
Call the police then, or I'll call it on you and you'll go to jail.
In Lake Worth, Florida, the mailman delivers a package and snagged a large organic avocado left out to ripen. Talk about adding insult to injury. What would you do if you caught this on camera?
Yay!
I mean, I got my packages
In
at the end
Buffalo,
of the
New
day.
York, here comes sneaky envelope Emma, quickly checking the mailbox. But when she spots the doorbell camera, she tries to play it off like she's at the wrong house. That's sneaky, right? What do you think? Does her story hold up?
Please get off my property before I call the cops. Right now. Seriously, I'm going to call them. Thank you.
Meet the wannabe thief in Rochester, New York. Dressed in gloves to avoid fingerprints, maybe? But guess what? He got caught red-handed.
No. Let me ask you something.
Looks like getting caught has him speechless now. What do you think? What would you say if this happened to you?
Get off the porch!
Just said, like he observed the consumer following people, like.
In Portland, Oregon, here's Sneaky Handle Sheila, holding a doll and maybe up to no
Sneaky
good.
Handle Sheila.
She shows up at the door, but a loud dog's bark spooks her, and she quickly leaves. Guess that's enough to send her packing. What do you think? Was she looking for something to steal?
It's like, what is it? 5 a.m. or 5 p.m. Right? Get the fuck
In
off
Rochester,
my
New York,
words.
these girls decide to swipe a shoe and key hidden under the mat. Guess that's why you should never leave keys there, right?
Bruh.
In Albuquerque, New Mexico, meet Knob Knocker Nick, caught red-handed
Knob
while breaking the
Knocker
lock.
Nick.
Wonder what he's got to say to the homeowner now. Let's see how he tries to explain this one.
You on camera before, bruh.
Go away.
3 a.m. 3:30
You need to
a.m.
go away.
Okay, I'm sorry. I must have the wrong place.
You need to hop the fence and get out of there.
Okay, I have a key. It's okay.
I'm gonna call the police if you don't leave.
Meanwhile, this lady is back at the
Oh,
home.
back for
Wonder why
round
she's
2.
returned now. Maybe she's got some explaining to do. Let's see what she says.
This is my wicker from ARC Group Home, East Aurora, New York. I had a wicker rocker before I got married to Andy, so I'll leave it in your
Fuck
wicker
is wrong with
basket.
her?
In Atlanta, Georgia, here's Handle Jiggle Harry, trying the
Handle
doorknob first and
Jiggle
then making
Harry.
a sketchy call about the
He just
homeowner's
said,
car.
fuck it.
When he spots the doorbell camera, he quickly makes up an excuse and takes off. What do you think?
Like someone with a BMW? Is that where you're at?
Fucking drugs are you on, bro?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Okay. Oh, I'm sorry I rang your Ring doorbell. Your cat with no tail is cold.
Yeah, uh-huh. The fuck?
We can't answer the door right now, but if you...
Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Ain't nobody safe.
What are you doing over there?
Oh.
What you doing over there?
Don't you worry about it. Breaking in your house.
I'm gonna put you on Facebook. Someone's stealing out my yard.
Do that, please. Do that.
That old ass
Come
bitch.
close to that camera.
I can't hear you.
Oh yeah, I see you, but I'm sure gonna put you. Watch, I'm gonna put you on that site. Lock that gate back.
Why the fuck?
Yeah, I see.
It's an old people on old people crime. Bro, what you doing?
In Rochester, New York, here's another doorknob detective Dan, always checking doors like it's his job.
Detective Dan. Fucking dumbass.
In Montclair,
Most
New
people got
Jersey,
dogs,
this
so you
female
better
delivery
be
driver
watching.
drops off a bouquet from 1,800 flowers, and then she waits a bit before grabbing it right back again.
She ain't pretty, she gotta have a BBL. No, just playing. The fuck is that?
Guess she wasn't finished after all. What do you think? Just opportunistic or a full-blown plan? San Francisco, California.
Okay.
In Buffalo, New York, here's another porch pirate caught in action. Looks like the homeowner's keeping a close eye on their stuff. What do you think? Are porch pirates getting bolder or just getting caught more often these days?
He looked at the camera and said, "Oh."
Okay. Hey. Okay.
Yo, you lucky. Oh, you lucky as fuck, bro. You lucky he come out with a gun.
No, he went the other way.
That's grandma.
In Rochester, New York, this lady shows up late at night holding a cloth like she's carrying a child.
That bitch ain't carrying no
She's peering into
damn
the
child.
porch,
You ain't
clearly on
holding
the
it
lookout
right.
for something to swipe. What do you think? Up to no good or just a late-night wanderer?
Fella, she could get that RKO the same as anybody else to come in my house at 4 a.m. You couldn't even rob me at 4. You have to come like during the day. That's when I'm asleep. Most likely. Or probably not. These days I'm up at all times of day. Damn. She drunk as shit. Blonde. Blonde being a blonde. Ain't got nobody.
In Mesa, Arizona, this lady's just standing there at a stranger's house. At this hour, it's definitely not safe. Come on, lady, go home. What do you think is going through her mind?
She's an escort. Anyways, I'm just playing, but maybe she is. You looking at, bro? Yeah, look at that doorbell, bro. What you want, bro? Why you trucking my door, bro? Bro, it's 10
In Baton Rouge,
a.m. I mean
Louisiana,
10
this guy
p.m.
gets caught trying the doorknob. Looks like he's scrambling for a new excuse now. What do you think? Just a bad idea or something more?
Who is it?
It's Bill. I don't mean to bother you. I just need to charge my phone. You mind
Nigga,
just
go
running
somewhere
on
else.
charge the
Charge your
phone?
Oh
damn.
no, man! I
Hell
don't
no.
even know you.
Exactly, bitch ass nigga. Get the fuck off my property.
Alright. I appreciate it anyway, bro.
You smoking a cigarette, bro. Go somewhere else.
So what you need, man? Why you hanging? Where you from, man?
I just look.
Where you from?
You don't want to answer?
Huh?
I'm from Belfast.
From where?
Belfast.
You know, man. I'm in the bed, man. I'm sick.
Alright, it's all good, man. I appreciate it anyway.
In Denver, Colorado, this teen girl says she's going to keep this package safe from the house's porch, but then she quickly moves it out of the camera's view. Homeowner says it's gone just 5 minutes later.
The fuck you
What's
sucking
going on
on,
here, do you
bitch?
think?
I'm gonna put her somewhere where nobody sees it. Cause Amazon people.
You chewing on that bubblicious.
They put zero effort into hiding packages, so I'm gonna do it for him. Put it. What's up? I'll put it.
The fuck is she doing?
I'm putting it right here. Right here. Where the chair's off. I'm putting it under the chair.
In Louisville, Kentucky, here's a neighbor nobody wants, trying every door and mailbox in sight. She even snatches some mail. Pretty shameful, don't you think? What would you do if this happened in your neighborhood?
That neighbor about to come up missing. That's what I do. Y'all could go bail her out. That's the fuck y'all can do. That was the most. Come on, bro. At least be inconspicuous. Inconspicuous. At least be a little bit more, you know, sneaky with it. Watch you fuck me up with that word. Fuck it. I'm coming out that bitch, guns blazing.
Never mind.
You got mask on? Oh yeah. I'm coming out that bitch, guns blazing, bro. The first shot is a warning shot. I'm gonna shoot a blink the first time. Every other thing after that is live rounds. What the fuck is she doing?
Oh, right here. Oh.
In Alexandria, Virginia, here's another lock test Linda.
Lock test Linda. I don't know about the Linda part. Tramp stamp on the back? Fuck you doing? Really, people be really trying to get to that mail, huh? They really think, really? You gonna light it? The fuck is that gonna do? The fuck these niggas
In
be
Nutley,
doing?
New Jersey, here's an Amazon delivery lady. Except she's not just delivering packages, she's stealing one too. In Boise, Idaho, these days it seems like there's always a late-night creeper wandering around doors. Seriously, folks, always keep those doors locked. What's the best way to stay safe out there?
Was she on drugs? It's 2 a.m. Damn, bros, it's gonna be 8 a.m. Y'all here still in packages? Y'all can't even keep y'all
In St.
pants
Louis,
up.
Missouri, she swipes a fake package, guessing the homeowner knows how to teach these porch pirates a lesson.
The package usually go in probably in that other thing.
If you're enjoying the videos, why not keep watching? Just click one of these to dive into more.
These motherfuckers are weird. Get you a ring, whatever the else that is. Just get you a doorbell with a camera. So a lot of these people need to be home or something. Sheesh. If you have a house, I recommend getting a dog. At least you have some form of barking. That should help out. So yeah, I would recommend that. Yeah, these people are sick. Sick. They sick, and they need to be treated. And my form of treatment is different than other people's forms of treatment. My form is forcefully, you will not doing this anymore because you have learned a very valuable lesson in not stealing from somebody like me. You will get RKO'd. You will get potentially shot. You might die from this encounter. This is why I can't be what do they call a neighborhood watch? Yeah, I couldn't be a neighborhood watch. I'd be fucking Batman, bitch. But a lethal. I'll be like Red Hood from Batman. I'll be lethal. I ain't letting nobody stop me. All right. Well, that was some Ring Doorbell. Creepy Tub is the channel called. Yeah, thank you for the video. Hope y'all all enjoyed these strange Forge Pirates encounters people go through. Once you get a ring, that's what happens. Once you get a ring, you start seeing the shit that you don't see. Yeah, more alert, be more alert. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'm out. Peace.